Hello students, welcome back. Okay students, in geography previous class we are discussing about the globe, latitudes and the longitudes. I think you people are familiar with the concept of globe and latitudes and the longitudes. So some more informations I would like to give on the basis of the longitudes, the concept of longitudes. Okay students, what do you mean by longitudes? So we already know that the lines which is connecting from North Pole to South Pole is called longitudes. So once again, so what are longitudes? So here I have given the definition for longitudes. Just observe and note down. So lines of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole, North Pole to the South Pole. The lines of references are called the meridians of longitudes. So here, so what do you mean by reference? So reference means, so there are many longitudes, not only one. Each and every longitude have its own value. Actually, the value of the longitude, it starts from 0 degree, 0. So we are going to count as degrees. So we are going to count longitudes in degrees. 0 degree, it will start from 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So why is to call degrees? Because earth rotates for 360 degrees. On the basis of rotation of the earth, the longitudes also given in degrees. So it is called reference. So once again, the lines of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole, these lines of references are called the meridians of longitudes. I told you before only, students, there are 360 longitudes are there. So these 360 longitudes of the earth are divided into east and west longitudes, eastern and western longitudes. So there are 180 longitudes lies in east and 180 longitudes lies in the west. So 0 degree longitude, prime meridian, we used to call meridians, prime meridian. 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. So 0 degree to east, there are 180 longitudes are considered as eastern longitudes, and 0 degree to west, it is considered as 180 degree western longitudes. So there are 180 longitudes. So almost all the longitudes are interconnected from North Pole to South Pole. All the longitudes are which connects from North Pole to the South Pole. Okay students, the 0 degree and 180 degree plus or minus means if we count clockwise 0 degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. So it will reach up to 180. If we count anti-clockwise 0 degree, so to anti-clockwise 0 degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that, 180 degree. So I told you before only, there are 180 longitude lies in east and 180 longitudes lies in west. Almost all the longitudes are connected from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, 0 degree and 180 degree plus and minus are same. 180 degree longitudes almost is same. There is no two 180 degrees, only one 180 degree longitude. So it is called plus or minus. So this is known as international date line, students. International date line. Okay. So there is only one 180 degree. So it is going to consider as plus and minus, plus and the minus. So this 0 degree longitude and 180 degree plus or minus longitude are circumdivided like this, circumdivided into two halves like eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere, eastern and the western hemisphere. So if we look from one end, so this is 0 degree prime meridian. So if you look from other end, so 180 degree minus 180 degree plus the value. So these are the two faces of the globe or earth. So we can see 0 degree from one end, we can see 180 degree minus and plus from another end. Okay students, so this is about the longitude. So we will move towards the grid system. Next one is grid system. In globe students, we can see the latitudes and the longitudes. Yes or no? We can see latitudes and longitudes at a time. So this interconnected lines, so interconnected, almost all longitudes and latitudes are interconnected. So this interconnected lines are known as the grid system. We used to call grid system, grids. So the lines intersect each other. The lines intersect each other. Lines means the longitudes and latitudes are intersects. It is called grid. So this grid is very important to locate the place. It is very important to locate the place. Okay students, we will move towards the time and time zone. Just hold on. Well students, we will move towards longitude and time. Just observe carefully. Students, the earth rotates. We know that earth rotates from west to east. Earth rotates from west to east. Those places east of Greenwich, those places east of Greenwich, I will explain what is the meaning of Greenwich, will be ahead, means ahead, not behind, means ahead of Greenwich time, and those to the west will be the behind it. Okay students, just observe carefully. I will explain this concept. We know that earth rotates from west to east, like this. Earth will rotate. So just for example 0 degree, so this is called prime meridian. Greenwich, what is the meaning of Greenwich? Students, Greenwich is a name of a place. It is a name of a place. So it is a village in UK, United Kingdom, in England, near England. Okay, so Greenwich is the name of a place. So the value of prime meridian, 0 degree prime meridian, is passes on this village, Greenwich. So we used to call Greenwich time. So GMT, I think you have heard about GMT. GMT means Greenwich Meridian Time. So what is the meaning of GMT? See, the time is ahead in eastern hemisphere because of the rotation of the earth, and time lies behind in western hemisphere. So that's why the time is ahead always on the basis of the rotation of the earth, and time is behind on the basis of the rotation of the earth, means on the basis of day and night, okay, for example, see, half of the earth is facing sun, another half of the earth is facing dark. That is because of the rotation of the earth. For America it is Sunday, still it is Sunday for America. Today is Monday for us, means on the basis of rotation. So on the basis of rotation, even the time is also we are going to calculate on the basis of the rotation of the earth. And the 0 degree prime meridian, means 0 degree Greenwich meridian is important longitude for time. So we are taking 0 degree prime meridian or Greenwich longitude for time purpose, for time zone purpose, time and time zone. Okay students, we know that earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours. To complete one spin, earth takes 24 hours. So in 24 hours there will be a day and night process. To rotate 15 degrees, So we know that earth rotates 360 degrees, right? To rotate 15 degree, just 15 degree, Earth will take 1 hour, nearly 1 hour, exactly 1 hour the Earth will take to complete, to reach 15 degrees. To rotate 1 degree, Earth takes duration to rotate 1 degree, it will take 4 minutes. It will take 4 minutes. So that's why we have 60 minutes in our 60 seconds in a minute. Got it, students? Once again I will explain this concept. If you understand this concept, it is very easy to know the time. The Earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours. To rotate 15 degree, Earth will take 1 hour. To rotate 1 degree, Earth will take 4 minutes. So just multiply this, cross multiplication. 15 into 4, so 60 degree. So that's why we have 60 minutes in hour, 60 seconds for minutes. Just hold on, students, we will move towards further. Well, students, now I will explain about the standard time. So GMT, I told you before only, GMT means Greenwich Meridian Time. So this Greenwich Meridian time is depends on 0 degree prime meridian. So if you come to India, so in IST, we used to call IST means Indian Standard Time. IST means Indian Standard Time. Okay, students. So Indian Standard Time is depends on 82.5 degree east longitude. 82.5 degree east longitude. So I told you before only, each and every longitudes have its own value. Each and every longitude has its own value. For example, 0 degree Greenwich Meridian. Greenwich is the name of a place. The value of Greenwich Meridian is 0 degree. So like that. So there are the important latitudes which is passes on our country. That is 68 and east. It will start from 68 degree east longitude and it ends exactly to 97 degree east. So between 68 and 97 exactly for the center of our country. So there is an important longitude that is 82.5 degree. So this 82.5 degree we are going to taken for Indian Standard Time. So the thing is only changes in day and night. In our country, the eastern part faces sunrise very early in the morning, means compared to us 4:30 or 5 o'clock, sometimes 5:30, very quickly the sun will rise. And the western part of the country like Gujarat, so it remains in dark. So only thing is there will be a changes in day and night, that's it. But the time is same, we are following the time is same. So if this part means the eastern part of country faces early sunrise, the time will be same. But if it is dark in western side, the time will be same. So we are taking 82.5 degree east longitude for time zone. So this is our time zone to maintain the uniformity of the time system in India, for time management in entire India. So we are taking 82.5 degree east for time zone. So we used to call IST, Indian Standard Time. Just read the lesson, you will come to know. So this is about the standard time of India. So I think this is enough in this lesson, the globe latitudes and longitudes. I hope this concept is okay for you. Thank you, students. If you have any doubts, please contact us. We are here to help you. Thank you.